At basketball practice, Tina made 15 out of 20 of her free throws on Monday, 45% of her free throws on Tuesday, and 0.62 of her free throws on Wednesday. Put the values in order from least to greatest. So on Monday, she made 15 out of 20. On Tuesday, she made 45%, and on Wednesday, she made 0.62. So we're going to, in order to compare them, we need to make them all the same. So I'm going to go ahead and make these all decimals. So I have 15/20ths, and I need to make that a decimal. I'm going to think, what can I do to make that a decimal? I know that that actually simplifies down. I can divide out a 5 out of all of those. And so that's 3/4. And I know that 3/4 or 3/4, that's going to be 0.75 as a decimal. If I wanted to do the division, I could. 20 doesn't go into 15, but it goes into 157 times. It's 140. Subtract, I would get 10, carry down to 0. 20 goes into 105 times, which is exact. I'm going to go ahead and turn my percent into a decimal by moving the decimal place 2 spots to the left. So that's going to be 0.45. And then lastly, I have my original number, which is 0.62. They want us to put those in order from least to greatest. So our least value is going to be 0.45, which started as 45%. Let me go ahead and get rid of that decimal. I'm going to go with 45%. We want the original form. The next least value is going to be 0.62, which was 0.62 to start with, which means that the largest is going to be 0.75, which originally was 15/20ths. So those are those organized from least to greatest.